What is up, guys? Welcome to 5 Tips Sunday. I'll be giving you 5 tips on how to make cinematic videos using your GoPro Hero 8. Tip number 1. Use GoPro's 3-way mount, which costs about $69 at the time of making this video, to get some cinematic shots with some really simple moves. Use your hand to hold 3-way mount very firmly, and then use your other hand to turn the mount on axis to get the cinematic panel looking shot. Stretch out your 3-way mount all the way and move forward with your knees bent to get this really good looking cinematic dolly in shot. Tip number 2. Use linear lens setting to avoid getting fisheye effect in your videos, unless you really need that wide field of view. Using linear lens mode will make your videos look more cinematic. I've filmed most of my cinematic movies on this channel using only GoPro Hero 8. Tip number 3. Use 60 FPS in 4K or 120 or 240 FPS in 2.7K or 1080p to get those buttery looking smooth slow-mo cinematic shots. Filming in higher frame rate lets you slow down your footage in post, making it look more stabilized and cinematic. Tip number 4. Adding time lapses gives this very different look and feel to your videos and shows your viewers something long in few seconds while making it more interesting to look at. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to execute your creative ideas. GoPro Hero 8 is a very rugged camera. Your imagination is what makes you a good videographer or a cinematographer. I own 2 GoPro Hero 8s and I've tested both in really harsh environment. Every time I come up with a creative idea, I go ahead and do it. Your GoPro will handle it. I don't have any screen protector or any protective covering on my GoPro Hero 8. I've filmed in heavy snow, thrown my camera in Lake Tahoe, filmed underwater shots, and even submerged my GoPro Hero 8 in a glass full of Mountain Dew, just because I wanted to get that different looking shot. Well, that is all for 5 Tips Sunday. Like if you loved it, sub if you want to see more. I'll see you on next Sunday. Peace.